Hi TV people! Today we are going to open a dino truck named Ty. He comes with a remote control with Revvit on top. His mouth opens and closes. He has moving arms. Looks like Ty just made a hole in the box. He can find Revvit. He can whack and smash the bad guys. He can dance, or he can just remote control. He can make 40 sounds. There's 5 different ways you can play with him. He could find Revvit. He could follow you. He could whack and smash, and he can dance. You can also use the full remote control. Let's get this on the opening table! In the package, there's 3 things: Revvit, Ty, and a remote control. It also comes with this poster of instructions. Oh, this part looks fun. Revvit can go here, here, and right here. And now I'm gonna try it out. Huh? Dad, it needs batteries. First, find the on button.
What are we doing today, Revvit?
Let's make sure everything's in working order. Time to use your wrecking ball, Ty.
Let's go down.
I make this look easy. Yeah!
Daddy, what are you doing?
Going forward, Ty. Go backward, Ty.
Yeah! No problem.
Go forward, Ty. Follow me, Ty.
I'll follow you, buddy. Let's make tracks. Yeah!
What do you think?
Good.
Building up, Dino.
Look at the camera and tell me what you think.
Good.
That was awesome.
Follow me mode is good.
It's time to dance.
Is it
Go forward, Ty.
This video is over.